A pair of Bruins propelled Canada to a sweep in the best-of-3 World Cup of Hockey final with a 2-1 come-from-behind win against Team Europe in Game 2. With 2:53 left in regulation, Patrice Bergeron had a tying power play goal, and then with just 44 seconds remaining, Brad Marchand had a short-handed game-winning goal. Team Europe was the biggest surprise of the tournament, but they gave Canada, who dominated the entire tournament, a tough challenge in the final game. Canada's head coach Mike Babcock said, quote, "Our players believed we were going to win, and I thought they really turned it up."